right, today we're gonna bring in some lights, and these are actually gold brass lights, and they come with glass, and we're gonna set them up today and see how beautiful they look. I like the whole setup. They have pre-wire ready, and they came with the light bulbs too. They included the light bulbs. Now the wiring is very simple. There's a neutral and there's a live connection, and that's pretty much it. You do have the ground cable here, so you have to mount this, and once you set it up, it's easy to set up the background. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. All right, there's the light, guys. It's beautiful static light. If you guys see, it came with the light bulbs. It's a beautiful setting that we have here. So we're gonna take a look at it in a little close up and see what I'm talking about. The lights are super bright, and this could go up the way to 60 watts, all right? So the light bulb even gives you the information there, all right? So don't go over that. Just make sure you go under. And it comes with the light bulbs, as you can see. They're not the highest, brightest light bulb, but you can replace them yourself. Very simple to install. You got to remove the actual metal piece underneath of it. You do need small hands. Like I got large hands. I was able to do it still. Make sure it's all balanced out. I will start from this glass first and then add the second glass before, so you could keep it balanced. Make sure that that thing doesn't fall, the drywall mounts don't fall or anything else. But overall, you could do this upside down or forward like I have it right now. But I like it this way because it actually lights up and it makes this area look more beautiful than it is. They're very powerful, very bright, and I'm gonna turn off the light so you guys can see. Right now I have my fish tank. That's the only thing I have on, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it back on. We are beautiful lights. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.